I finally found the best platform to launch the Aligned Women Academy. Now, if you've been with me for a while, you would realize that I have gone from Stan communities to, I think, WhatsApp groups, and then to WhatsApp communities, and then to Patreon, and now we're on school. I want to thank everyone that has stayed the course with me throughout this learning process. Like, it's a learning process for me as I tried so hard to find a platform that organizes everything and just brings everything and everyone together in the way that I wanted it to look like. And I'm so excited that I finally found school. Now I know it can be frustrating to move from one platform to the other, but I want to thank you first of all for staying the course and trusting in my brand and trusting in my message. School is now our final destination, trust me, because I have seen that it has everything we need to grow as a community of women. Now, it's not going to come without a prize. For now, within the next 24 hours, I'm opening the doors to everybody to get in that community free of charge. But after that, it's going to be $10 a month, because this time it is going to be packed because we're having guests. We're talking spiritual growth, we're talking financial growth, we're talking how to build businesses, we're talking how to become better women all round. All my courses are there, like my Millionaire Housewife course is right up there, freebies and all of that. It's going to be packed. I'm so excited. Like, I literally just recorded a 4-module Purpose to Profit course that I'm going to be putting up on the community later during this week. Like, I have super plans for the community. So if you're a woman and you would like to join this academy, definitely click the link in the description and join us on school within the next 24 hours. You're getting in free forever. Or if you miss it, it's going to be $10 a month after that. I can't wait to share myself with you guys. It has been a learning process for me. It has been exhausting for me as well, but finally we found the place. And thank you to my friends for recommending it to me. My friend Riva recommended it to me, and this is definitely what I wanted. So guys, ladies, thank you, and I'll see you in the community in the Aligned Women's Academy. Love you guys. Bye-bye.